Doing intermittent fasting, but the scale isn't budging, or worse, you're actually gaining weight. Before you give up, let me tell you this: it's not intermittent fasting that's failing you. It's these 10 common mistakes that are secretly sabotaging your results. And I guarantee you're making at least one of them, if not more. So stick with me with this video because fixing these can skyrocket your fat loss. So, mistake number one is eating too much during your eating window. Intermittent fasting isn't a free pass to eat whatever you want. If you're stuffing yourself with processed foods, excess carbs, and sugar, just because you fasted, you're undoing all of that hard work. So, you want to stick to high protein, whole foods, and healthy fats to keep you full longer and maximize your fat burning. Mistake number two, eating too little. Wait, I know, isn't eating less food better? Nope, and not necessarily. Undereating slows down your metabolism and can lead to intense hunger, binge eating, and muscle loss. And remember, muscle is fat burning tissue. So you want to make sure that you're eating enough calories and getting enough nutrients during your eating window, or you're going to feel sluggish and plateau really quickly. Mistake number three, breaking your fast incorrectly. You just finished fasting, but if you break it with the wrong foods, you could spike your blood sugar and trigger cravings and hormonal imbalances. So, you want to break your fast with protein, fiber, and healthy fats like eggs and avocado instead of high carb, sugary foods, which is what got you into this problem in the first place. Mistake number four, drinking too many calories. Black coffee and water are just fine, but flavored creamers, bulletproof coffee with a ton of calories, and sugary drinks, they break your fast and they lead to stalled out fat loss. So stick to black coffee, plain tea, or electrolyte water to stay in that fasted state. Mistake number five, not staying hydrated. Fasting depletes electrolytes, and if you're not replacing them, you'll feel fatigued, dizzy, foggy, and you're going to end up craving junk food. So you want to drink plenty of water with electrolytes or sea salt to avoid dehydration. Mistake number six, thinking fasting alone will do the trick and the work. Fasting helps, but if your diet and lifestyle are a mess, don't expect miracles. Remember how long it took you to get to this place where you need to lose a certain amount of weight. So to fix it, you want to pair intermittent fasting with good high quality exercise, sleep, and stress management techniques for real lifestyle results. Mistake number seven, chronic stress and poor sleep. High cortisol from stress blocks and prevents fat burning and can make fasting even harder. So prioritize the sleep, practice meditation if you need to, and other relaxation techniques to keep those stress hormones in check and low. Mistake number eight, being too strict or fasting for too long. Too much of a good thing can be just as bad as too much of a bad thing. If you're doing 20-hour fast daily and feeling exhausted, it's probably too much. It's overboard, especially for women. You should only be doing fasting about 3 times per week. So start with that 16-8, which is my favorite, and then adjust as to how your body responds. Again, women, no more than 4 times per week. Mistake number nine, not getting enough protein. Low protein equals muscle loss, which is that fat burning tissue, and of course, hunger. You want to aim for around 0.8 to 1 gram, which is my personal preference at 1 gram per pound of body weight in protein. And finally, mistake number 10, quitting too soon. Fasting takes time, just like every other diet, carb cycling, keto, carnivore. Many people give up after a week because they don't see instant results. Stick with it for at least 21 days. I make all of my programs 21 days because you can see a ton of results, and you can even go to 4 weeks in some cases. And your body will fully adjust and be able to really get a good idea as to whether something is working or not. So there you have it, those 10 fasting mistakes that could be holding you back. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, drop a comment below. Which mistake do you think you're making, and do you need help with anything? And don't forget to subscribe for more science-backed weight loss tips. I'll see you for the next one.